In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons in Framer. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to place a button on your page by using a pre-built section that already includes one, then rename it and connect it to a destination. This approach keeps your layout consistent and responsive without extra setup. Start by opening your project and heading to the Insert panel. You'll find it in the Framer interface as the place where all components and building blocks live. The Insert panel is your toolbox, and it's the fastest way to add polished elements to your canvas. Inside Insert, choose Sections. Sections are fully designed page blocks like hero areas, features, and footers that come with proper spacing, alignment, and in many cases, a call to action button built in. Using a section ensures your button sits in a well-structured layout that adapts gracefully across screen sizes. From the sections list, pick a section that includes a button. You can skim the thumbnails to spot options with a clear call to action. Drag it onto your canvas or click to add it to the current page. This gives you a ready-made foundation with a button positioned exactly where users expect to find it. Next, select the button and rename it. You can typically edit the label directly on the canvas by clicking into the text and typing, or by using the right-hand properties panel where the text field is available. Keep the label short, clear, and action-focused. Phrases like "get started," "continue," or "view pricing" work well because they tell visitors exactly what happens next. With the button text set, look for the link to option in the properties panel. This is where you define what happens when someone clicks your button. You can connect it to another page in your project, an external URL, or a specific section on the same page. If you're linking to a page within your site, choose it from the dropdown so Framer manages the path for you. For external sites, make sure the URL includes the full protocol so it works reliably. Finally, paste your link into the link to field, or pick the page from the list. If you're using an anchor on the same page, reference the section ID with a hash, like #contact. Double-check the link for typos and confirm any desired behavior, such as opening in a new tab if that option is available. That's it. You've added a section with a built-in button, renamed it to match your goal, and linked it to the right destination. Now, your call to action is ready to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go.